Another easy, simple, healthy recipe, brown rice and vegetable casserole. This is a vegetarian dish that you can try at home. I'm using 2 cups of leftover brown rice, 2 cans beans, 1 chickpea and 1 red kidney beans, 1 zucchini, 2 sticks celery and some leeks, few cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 1 red chili, and chilies are always optional if you don't want to add any, and 2 capsicums, 1 cup mixed cheese, 1 can or 1 bottle pasta sauce, or you can use diced tomatoes in it, or you can use fresh tomatoes with some vegetable stock in it. I'm using 1 teaspoon of stock powder, enough salt and pepper to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. So let's start doing this. Very simple and easy to do. Get a chopping board and first cut the onion. I'm using salad onion to give extra flavor. You can use cooking onion instead. And the garlic. Always cook the garlic and onion separately, so I'm going to leave it aside. Let's cut the zucchini. Capsicums and the chili, next the celery and the leeks. You can use any oil for this. I'm using some garlic butter. It will give some extra flavor to this recipe. And into that I'm going to add the onion and the garlic. When you add butter, you need to add the onion and garlic at once. If you are using oil, make sure to bring the oil to high heat before adding the onions and the garlic. Stir fry. So cook the onion and garlic about 1 to 2 minutes until it is tender and releases the beautiful aroma. I'm not adding any herbs because this sauce already contains herbs. If you are not using the pasta sauce, you can add any other type of a herb that you like. Into that salt, pepper and the cumin powder with the stock powder. Stir. Now into that add the leeks, capsicum, zucchini and the celery. Cook the vegetables about 2-3 minutes. After mixing all the vegetables with the rice and the cheese, put them in prepared ramekins and bake on 180 about 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese melts. I finished baking the brown rice casserole and this is how it is. This is an easy vegetarian dish that you can try, prep before and cook later when you want. And hope you will enjoy. See you next time.